Hello there. Well, if you're on a pier today, a bit stormy weather. Mind you, the strong winds have brought somewhat milder weather in across the British Isles, and that mild air is going to stay with us right the way through the coming week, although just now and again there is a chance of a little touch of frost up in the far north. Now, we've got the strong winds today, the strongest winds, as I say, across northern parts of the British Isles ahead of this weather system here. Lots of isobars on the chart, lots of isobars on the chart again for tomorrow, so another windy day ahead of us. But around the middle part of the week, the isobars open out, so the winds will ease down before they pick up again by the end of the week as another area of low pressure runs in from the southwest approaches. So the rest of the week, mild, windy too, spells of wet weather, but there'll be some showers in between. Now, one of those spells of wet weather will be working its way up across Scotland through the afternoon. Brighter showery weather coming along behind that, though some of these showers in the south, particularly around the coast, could turn out to be rather heavy and thundery. And as I said before, the strongest winds today up there in the north of Scotland, gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour. Now, the winds haven't finished with us yet. They'll be blustery across southern areas, but some more strong winds will be moving in overnight. There'll be an easing in the winds this evening, but later on tonight they'll pick up from a southerly direction, and there's a good chance of severe gales blowing up through the Irish Sea and across the coastal areas just either side of the Irish Sea during tonight and tomorrow. Not only windy but wet weather moving in, and you can see this rain racing northwards overnight, so it's going to be a rather wet start to the week for most of the United Kingdom. There is just a chance that tonight, ahead of that wet weather, clearing skies could allow temperatures to get low enough for a touch of frost in very sheltered places in Scotland, but that'll be very localised. So Monday morning we start off with this rain. It'll spread northwards through the day. Brighter showery weather coming into Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales, but it is going to be windy as well as wet. On Tuesday, that wet weather just edges away to the east. The showers, they just edge a little bit further eastwards at the same time, but in northwestern parts of Scotland, some of the showers are likely to be heavy and thundery. Now, on Wednesday, they could merge to bring some longer spells of rain there. Scattered showers on Wednesday, some rather murky weather just lingering along those North Sea coasts. On Thursday, that wet weather starts to spill in once again.